in Martinez, California. Alan, again, it's a weird kind of paint drying, direct, but also frustrating from a viewer's standpoint. Do you think jurors are getting a different feel because they're in the room and maybe they're picking up more of the what the defendant is saying, maybe, you know, with other cues, etc.?
I get the feeling that the jury is in just as much pain as us, the viewers. I get the feeling that the jury also just, you know, is listening to this man ramble on, not really expressing remorse, like Julia mentioned. And I believe that potentially there's a very, very strange defense going on here. I think potentially what the defense might be trying to do is really just show what this man is like and really argue that, yeah, he doesn't really have a filter, he has no remorse, he is strange, he is weird, he is slow, but this is genuinely how he is. And as a result, when he tells you, yeah, I have no memory of it happening at the time, I didn't really understand what my body was doing, that is just as credible as the other painful testimony he is going through right now.
So possible. And Alan, one thing that I found interesting about the defense opening statement, which was very good, they very well laid out what could be his defense, and it prepared them for him on the stand, because the defense said he's not a complex man. He's very simple in the way that he thinks about things, so you'll hear him, and now we are. But they didn't mention what he should be found guilty of. They said you should find him not guilty. He couldn't form the required intent, but we all assume that it's going to be something lesser, like manslaughter, negligent homicide. He's already facing second-degree murder. But do you think that that was strategic, and was it a good strategy to not mention if there is a lesser charge that they want to ask the jury for?
That is an excellent observation, and I absolutely do believe this is strategic. I suspect the defense is a bit uncertain as to how exactly he's going to testify on the stand, and what they want to do is they just want to keep all their options available, and I'm guessing that's why they didn't go into any specifics in the opening statement.
Thanks,
we'll
Alan.
see. Let's get a break. There's still a little bit more of the